Sayo, Angel.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, you will get your second day of tuition?
Yes.
Okay, so 250 for your tuition and your transportation including your fee.
Uncle Kim Young-sung님, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
So, a total of
350.
350. Okay, bye-bye. Kamsahamnida. Good luck.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kizel.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kuya Rex.
Good morning. Malay klase. So it's Saturday man, no? So you have a shopping mission today. Okay ra?
Okay.
Kasi may ganan mo mukuyog. Yung mama lang. Mama. Kanya, you're going to buy dress, socks, underwear, pants, etc. Kana lang masulog ni mo inday ha. Chinilas, slippers, sagun sa lang ha na masulog. Okay. Here is 3,000 pesos shopping fee for you. Okay. And that is from Taisonim.
Uncle Taisonim, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Heart Jane.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. So, kumusta Inday?
Okay lang.
Okay ra? Asa day si Vinis?
Naglaag.
Happy ra kasi mo cellphone. Okay, so I'm here to deliver 3 sets of donuts for you ha. Okay, and you also have 3 packs of chooks to go, and that is from Las Vegas Nim.
Las Vegas Nim, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, okay na. Sige, bye bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Jenny Rose.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, musta man imong work hindi?
Okay ra.
Okay ra.
Okay.
Ikapila na ron ka adlaw? Ikan sa pag-start.
Pag June 10 ko nagsugod na.
June 10. So, today is 22, no? 12 days na. So, I'm here to deliver 1,000 pesos for you. Okay. Work hard, ha?
Yes.
Okay, and that is from Ichang Gunim.
Janggunim, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, teacher.
annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, here is the 1,000 pesos ice cream inside. Okay, for the study room students, teacher. Okay. And that is from Chaji Hunim.
Shajunim, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다 for the ice cream.
Okay.
감사합니다.
Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo.
annyeonghaseyo. Kata sa energy di kuya.
Init ka. So, I'm here to deliver for Caitlin. Muhinday ha. You have 1 set of donut. Okay. And also Jollibee.
Ang daghan ha.
And teacher for the study room. 2 sets of donut. And also 500 pesos drinks. And how many students in the study room?
We have 22, yeah, but if included na sa self-study, then sa teachers and volunteers, 35.
35. So 1 box of donut is 6 pieces, and there is 2 sets, 6 box, so 36 pieces. Only 1 for your mother? Only 1?
Oh, tagsa ka dyan na.
Okay. 1 left for your mother. Okay. And that is all from SG Nim.
SJ-님, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
annyeonghaseyo. Uncle Soyong Filming. Uncle Soyong Filming. Thank you for the fruits and snacks of my sister and my allowance. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Bye-bye. Love you. Love you.
Kung basura guys ha, di ba ninyo, yung tuligyan, no?
Okay, lami.
Lame.
Lami.
Lame.
Lami. Ha? Nagkabulingan si Samantha. Lami. Yummy. Masarap. Samantha, Shane, Jelly, Arjin, Ashley, and Diana. Kamsahamnida, Kyung Sanim.
감사합니다. 윤영수님.
안녕하세요, Mercy. Good evening.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Din kagikan.
Sa balay.
Halay. Okay, SG Nim gives you 500 pesos for to buy chocks to go.
SGNIM, 감사합니다.
Okay, pagpalit daw chocks to go ha. Nga, ikaon ni mo mag-video sa ka. I-send sa. Ha? Okay, bye-bye.
Ako, nagipusong akong paglalay yung upin na upin. Kapag pupunta pa. Uli na lang mo. Uli na ko, uli na. Kuya? Kuya natin.
Annyeonghaseyo, Giselle.
안녕하세요, Teacher Angie.
So earlier, Amagatanim gave you 4,000.
아마기도님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
바이바이.
Ano niya? Kapal niya.